Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Goldshell DG Max mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 11 kilograms and gross weight about 12.3 kilograms. Goldshell DG Max supports the Scrypt algorithm and can mine Litecoin, Dogecoin, LJY, PEP and Bell cryptocurrencies, with an hash rate of 6.5 GH/s. Its power consumption is 3,450 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running while in the actual test. When the computing power reaches 6.45 GH/s, the power consumption of the mining machine is about 3,445 watts, and the noise is about 76 decibels. The temperature of the heat sink of the machine is 67 degrees Celsius, and the surface temperature is about 41 degrees Celsius. How to set up the miner for work normally. Please open the official website of Goldshell, click support and then click the following tabs to find our miner. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on the price and mining difficulty of Litecoin, Dogecoin, LJY, PEP and Bell cryptocurrencies on December 3, 2024, the daily earnings of the Goldshell DG Max 6.5G miner will be approximately $25.38. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. The Goldshell DG Max 6.5G miner is the air-cooled miner with the highest computing power for mining Dogecoins in the Genebase series. The miner has moderate computing power and low noise during operation. In addition, the miner's moderate weight makes it easy to install and set up, further enhancing its advantages for use in large-scale mining. Click on the buy link below the video to purchase directly. Buy miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.